Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the home of the 2016 $50,000 Home Makeover winner. That's Victoria Miller. We're here on Ordway Drive in northeastern Fort Wayne. Now, when Victoria signed up to win the $50,000 Home Makeover, she didn't think she was going to win. When we called her, she actually thought it was a prank. When we came out to see her, she knew it was real. One of the things we replaced on Victoria's house is we replaced the front door. We also did the siding. We blended everything in. You can see the front door is black, and then it has some satin nickel caming and satin nickel hardware. One of the trending colors right now is to go with darker colors on your siding and your doors. And you can see with the white trim around the door, that really makes it pop and stand out. That's a beautiful brand new front door that you can tell from the way it looked before. It's also more secure, more energy efficient, and it's maintenance free with a lifetime warranty. In the back of the home, we also replaced and put an entry door into the screen enclosure to turn that from a screen enclosure into a 2 or 3 season room. And we put a sliding patio door in between the house and the enclosure. So listen, if you folks want to update the outside of your home and you need to replace the doors, maybe they're lacking security, they don't look good, or they just need an update, give Key Exteriors a call at 492-8062 or visit our website at keyexteriors.com and ask for more information. Or if you'd like, go to our website and just fill a form out and enter for the $50,000 Home Makeover for 2019. Or stop by our office at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard, just west of Chuck E. Cheese's and north of the Children's Zoo.